Levers. How do you think a seesaw works on the ground? As such, you cannot lift your friend so high. But when you are at the other end of seesaw, it is so easy to lift him. When you and your friend are sitting at the two ends of the seesaw, it has a fixed point at center. This fixed point is called fulcrum. The force you apply to lift your friend is called effort. Your friend at the other end is the load. A lever is a straight bar that moves on a fixed point. A lever helps you to move a load easier. The examples of lever are seesaw, plier, and a bottle opener. There are 3 types of levers. Let us discuss them in detail in our next screen.